how to buy GUNZ token on KuCoin. So this token came under the symbol of GUN. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And after that, go and log into your account on KuCoin. And before going on by this token, make sure to find your account with some USDT. Now after that, head over to the search bar and click here. Now type the token name GUN and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. This pair that have USDT and click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to load this page to be able to trade this token on your account. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on spot. Now click on buy, select the limit, and here type the amount that you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see the total that you should pay with USDT that you have on your account to use it to buy this token. Click on buy GUN. Now if you select the market, you just set the percentage from here, as you can see, of that USDT on your account to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy a GUN token on KuCoin. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.